Pendulum coefficient of friction machine is portable and can test the product anytime, anywhere. The pendulum mimics the act of the heel striking on the ground during walking. A rubber slider on the bottom of the swinging pendulum arm sweeps across the floor surface and records the drag. The pendulum test value on this dry Altro safety floor is high. The higher the number, the lower the potential for slip. The pendulum test values are classified into high, moderate, and low. A pendulum test value of 36 plus has been shown to equate to a 1 in a million chance of slipping. If the floor is wet, a thin film of water is formed between the heel and the ground. This prevents the heel from making contact, and the heel can aquaplane, and a slip occurs. You can see the loss of friction with a wet heel and wet flooring. When the residual water is dried from the floor, but the heel is still wet, there's an increased risk of slipping occurring compared to dry conditions. This shows that walking on a dry floor with wet shoes also increases the potential for a slip. A similar result can be seen with other contaminants, in this instance flour. Compare this to smooth vinyl and non-safety ceramics, which generate a pendulum test value of between 10 and 24 when wet. This equates to a risk factor of between 1 in 2 and 1 in 20 chance of slipping. Altro safety floors have an aggregate that cuts through the contaminant and allows contact between the heel and the ground, even with fluid present. All Altro safety floors for shod areas exceeds the 36 plus rating, provided that they're maintained correctly.